Welcome to the Remote Job Challenge. I'm really excited about this challenge and I am sure you're going to learn a lot. And I hope that this challenge will change your life and open up new possibilities that you didn't even know existed. So here are some of the things that you're going to accomplish in this challenge. First, I'm going to help you identify specific jobs that you can do as a freelancer. You will find things that you can do with your existing skills, and you will also learn about skills that you could develop to earn more money. After that, I'm going to help you get a good understanding of what it is like to be a client. Because if you learn to think like a client and understand their needs, then you can write great proposals that will make those clients want to hire you instead of anyone else. After that, I'm going to help you set up a great profile on the #1 freelancing site in the world, and you are going to learn how to make your profile stand out so well that clients will want to invite you to jobs. I will also show you how to find good opportunities and how to tell the difference between a good job opportunity and a bad job opportunity. After that, I will show you and teach you how to write great proposals when you are applying to work on projects. And finally, I'm going to show you the way to make sure that you get a 5-star review on every job you do so that you can build up a very good reputation as a freelancer. This challenge is a very hands-on, action-oriented challenge, so you will be applying what you learn at every step of the way, and my goal is to help you get completely set up as a freelancer and start your first small freelancing job by the end of the challenge, so that you will know that you can earn money working at home, and when people ask you what you do, you can say, "I'm a freelancer." So let's get started. Before we get into the content of this course, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself so that you know where I'm coming from and that you have the confidence that I know what I'm talking about. Because there are so many people these days teaching online courses that don't have much experience at all, and this course is not like that. I have been freelancing off and on since 2009, and I've tried many different things, and I have found out what works and what doesn't work. I actually made very little money at first. On my first freelancing job, sometimes I only made $3 an hour, and sometimes clients didn't even pay me. So I'm going to show you how to avoid those mistakes that I made early on, and how I was able to start making good money as a freelancer. Freelancing is not the only thing I've done. I've also worked in more traditional jobs as a teacher and a computer programmer, but I found that I can make at least 2 to 3 times per hour working as a freelancer than I can working at a regular job. And I also have a lot more freedom to work when I want, where I want, and how much I want as a freelancer. So I really have no desire to go back to a traditional job. In this challenge, I want to help you break free from the idea that you need to enslave yourself to a traditional 9-to-5 job. I want to help you figure out how you can make more money as a freelancer, or how you can make the same amount of money that you would otherwise and have more time to spend with people you love. So if you're wondering if I can really help you learn to do what you want to do as a freelancer, let me tell you a little bit more about my experience. I have actually done many different kinds of work as a freelancer. I started out in web design. Later, I was a security expert and a business consultant. I've also worked as a computer programmer. And for the last few years, I've been working as a writer, copywriter, and growth hacker. I've also worked on teams with other freelancers who are doing different types of work like product designers, product managers, project managers, SEO experts, social media managers. I have also hired freelancers to work for me as virtual assistants, translators, video editors, sound engineers, marketing strategists. So I have a wide variety of personal experience, and I've worked with a lot of different freelancers, and I'm going to bring all of that experience into this challenge and make this challenge relevant to what you want to learn how to do. So now let's talk about what kind of work you can do as a freelancer. So on the screen, I have a Venn diagram, and it shows 3 areas that you need to consider when you are trying to figure out what you should do as a freelancer. The first thing you need to consider is the demand, and that is the work that other people need done. The second area you need to consider are your existing skills. Those are the things you already know how to do. And then the third thing that you should consider, kind of a long-term planning, is your interests. What do you like to do? So when you find something that is at an intersection of these three, that might be a good job for you. Or we can find opportunities in some of these other intersections where we can develop our skills in an area that we have an interest in, or that type of thing. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to dive deeper into each one of these areas and explain how you can find good work as a freelancer.